How to fix Tiny Tina's Wonderlands online not working. 1. Check server status by viewing official ship Twitter page at https://com/ship status. 2. Avoid cross-platform play. And for PC players, try using free Radman VPN at https://www.radman-vpn.com. 3. Link your ship and platform accounts at https://ship.gearboxsoftware.com. Follow this path. Tiny Tina's Wonderlands social ship link account. Note down the unique numerical code. Go to ship link gaming webpage. 4. Quit then rerun your game.